Hey guys, this is how to send encrypted email in Gmail. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com, and from here just click on this icon over here and go to your Gmail. And now from here just simply go ahead and click on compose, and now just simply resize it. And from here guys, just simply provide where you are going to send this email to. So I'm gonna go for an email as an example and provide the subject as well. And now just simply provide a text. Hi, how are you? For example. And in order for you to make it encrypted, just simply click on this icon over here, toggle confidential mode. And from here, you will have two options. You can set an expiration, which when you click on this, you can set it by 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months, or even 5 years. So you can choose when it will expire. And another option that you have is you can require a password. And from here, it will be depending on you. So I'm going to go for no SMS passcode. And from here, guys, the recipient won't have an option to forward, copy, print, or download the email that you are going to send. And once you are done, just click on save. And when you send it, it will be an encrypted email. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.